If they're in more established areas, larger blocks of land, those lovely period homes, people spend money renovating them. Typically, and what I find the equivalent sort of areas in Sydney, people are renovating those to live in and to live in for 20 years. So then even when properties do come on the market, it's really rare to get a recently renovated big family home in that type of area. Do you find that, Chris, with your clients? You know, you find many of them buying a big, lovely period home that's been renovated to a really high standard?
Oh, it's pretty rare. I mean, I can think of clients who have done that. And, you know, a client bought in Bondi a couple of years ago and it was like an amazing reno and it was super hot and they got it for a good price in the end. But it's not that many, to be honest. It's usually unrenovated because I think you're right, or it's been renovated, 10 years ago and so it's aged a bit now. But, I think the flippers are probably not playing it.
Yeah, they go for smaller stuff.
Yeah, exactly. So the investors are going for that stuff. So the big family homes and spending, $600, $1 million on a bill, then you want to enjoy the benefits of that renovation. And yeah, I think there's definitely people who do it, definitely in that sort of top end, builders that basically renovate their own houses and sell them because it's all tax-free growth. So it's a good strategy for people who can do building cheap. But yeah, it's not that common, right? People are usually renovating to live in it rather than to sell.
But if you want to profile the area, here's a quick snapshot of the census information that profiles Boroondara. Now, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. 70% of family households, to your point. This is, family dwellings. Fully owned, it's nearly 38%. So that's well above the average for an area that's so expensive. So it's a blue chip area.
Yeah.
And when you drive around there, as I have many, many times, it's full of mansions. It's beautiful and expensive.
Yeah. So therefore, you could surmise that the impact of the renovations on these properties isn't necessarily actually reflected in the medians.
I think a lot of people who are doing this type of work are doing it to live in it. The question more is we need to kind of pull up the listings in the area and look at how many are fully renovated or new.